What's up with it? I'm Rob. Today I just wanted to do a real quick video on how I make money selling stickers, selling custom stickers to people. We're gonna want to go online here, look at onlinelabels.com, and this is the sticker sheet that we're going to be using. I know these are 8.5 by 14 inches long, and we're going to use the waterproof gloss inkjet because I just want them to be as waterproof as possible. And we're just going to go with 100 sheets. The more you get, the cheaper they get, but we're just going with 100 sheets here. And these are about $1.25 per sheet, and we'll tack on 75 cents just to make it an even $2 to account for ink usage. Now we'll just hop on over to Silhouette, and what I'm going to do here is just take a image that I made that I just kind of picked at random just to see how many I could fit on the sheet. Turn on the registration marks. Let's just kind of move these things around and try to find the most amount that we can fit on here. Clone these. I'm going to take all these and try to scoot them up as close as you can get them to one another without making them actually touch one another, just to see how many we can actually fit in here on one page. I'm sure if I got super creative, maybe I could fit more than what I got, but this is just what I'm going to go with right now. So, those are touching each other, but I can get more room out of it. I'm not going to cut it just yet. So, let's see here. What is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on each side. So 12 stickers in total for each of these 8.5 by 14 inch pages. And say, I'm going to try to do some math. Bear with me. It gets ugly. So you got 12 stickers per sheet. Say you sell them for $1.50, which you can probably sell them for a little bit more, but we'll just say that. So you'll be making $18 per sheet that you only paid $2 for to begin with. So you'll be making $16 a sheet. That's pretty good. And usually you'd be selling them in quantities of 50 or so. So 50. So that'd be like $75 for 50 stickers. That's pretty good. That's a pretty good profit, considering you're only spending maybe like 20 minutes doing the whole thing. And you would have, if you're having $2 per sheet, $10 that you would have in the whole thing. So you'd be making a full $65 profit on 50 stickers that takes you maybe 20 minutes to print out and send through your vinyl cutter, or your sticker cutter, whatever it is you use. I use a Cricut, or not a Cricut, a Cameo Silhouette. I have a Cricut, but I don't like it. Anyway, I just wanted to make that quick video to show you guys how I make side money making stickers for people.